and I'm the applicant and responding to the appeal here. We respectfully object to a continuance. We've prepared for this. We've planned for this now. And I think the idea that it should be continued in order to permit live witness testimony from their expert would be unfair and would violate the very due process that they claim they've been deprived of, because as the applicant has the burden of proving entitlement to the exemption. In any state in the country, the person with the burden of proof gets the last word because they have the burden of proving it. So we're just going to waste this Commission's time, as well as the parties, if we continue this again, to let them have an opportunity to present what they consider, I guess, as new evidence when this matter has been pending in terms of complaints for 13 years. There's something new they want to present. If that's the case, then I would have to beg your indulgence to be able to present rebuttal evidence to that new evidence. And again, how new can it be? Again, I submit that we should proceed. The parties have provided notice to give at the very last minute here today in front of this Commission. A last-second request is, I think, an insult to the Commission, and it certainly is an inconvenience to me and my family. So we respectfully object.
Thank you. Ellen, I do have one question, because in your report, you do state that there is a new evidence. Do you have the nature of that evidence, and has that been submitted, for the benefit of applicant and to us?
Excuse me, if I could just interject. The purpose for the question is directed towards whether or not a continuation on the matter should be granted. I just want to make sure that that's clear so that we don't allow the discussion and the questioning to creep into the merits of the case.
Thank you.
Thank you.
May I ask a question? Will it be possible to start actually questioning, and then if we do have a further question, to actually extend it to the next meeting, or we have to only make the decision of continuing?
And if the decision is made to have the hearing, then you have to open the public hearing for purposes of hearing the matter today. The limited purpose here is a discussion on whether to continue the matter or not.
Thank you. Commissioners. Yes, Ms. Landrigan.
Mr. Chair, it's a difficult situation. I appreciate everybody being here, and I understand the time it takes and the planning it takes to come to a meeting. But I also feel that it's a very delicate situation, as she said, and I read the code and other issues, and I think having the expert here, who I have questions for, would be important to me making what I consider a fair decision.
I second your decision.
I move that we continue this case